Just tell me what is magnifying power. Magnifying power formula. What is formula for magnifying power? Any of you know magnifying power formula? Magnifying power of optical instrument. General formula.
Sir, height of object upon height of.
नहीं इससे मैं पूछ. That is linear magnification. Height of object upon height of object. This is magnifying power, or also called as sometimes angular magnification. Also called as angular magnification. Beta upon alpha. Beta का मतलब angle subtended by the final image at the center of lens or eye, and alpha is angle subtended by object when placed at distinct vision and seen directly. We have to study simple microscope, compound microscope, reflecting telescope, and refracting telescope. So for simple microscope, how many of you don't know the derivation? If you are knowing derivation, then directly I will write formula. If you don't know, then I have to explain. You know how to get simple microscopes magnifying power? Manasvi, you are knowing?
No, sir.
Okay. So just write magnifying power, then I'm explain how to find magnifying power of simple microscope. Shall I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, देखो अभी स्क्रीन पे. First I'm finding alpha, then I'm finding beta, then I will take ratio. So if object AB is situated at distance d and seen directly, then angle subtended is denoted as alpha. D मतलब distinct vision का distance 25 centimeter. So tan of alpha is approximately alpha, which is opposite side upon adjacent side, minus due to sign convention. So we got alpha as AB upon minus D. A convex lens behaves as simple microscope. By adjusting the lens, the object is brought between F and P and its image is obtained. So suppose this is 4 centimeter on left, take 4 centimeter on right. To get the image, you have to draw two rays. Ray parallel to principal axis will pass through focus. Passing through optical center remains undeviated. Produce them backwards to meet at a point which will be position of image. Produce them backward to meet at a point to get image. A1, B1 is image. This is beta. Object distance is U. Image distance is B. If it is derivation, you will write everything. Consider object AB at distance D seen directly. Therefore, tan alpha equal to alpha equals to AB upon minus D. Then using convex mirror to obtain the image of object as shown in the figure, let U be the object distance, V be the image distance, beta be the angle subtended at the center of lens. Consider वाला part आपको लिखना है. Now can I say from figure tan of beta is opposite side AB upon minus u, or opposite side A1 B1 upon minus v. So either I can take tan of beta is same as beta for smaller angle. So I have got two ratios left out with me. One is AB upon minus u, other is A1 B1 upon minus v. Magnifying power is beta upon alpha. Alpha is fixed, I can't change, AB upon minus v. But beta there are two values. So I'm writing first wala AB upon minus u, so that this AB will get cancelled. So that is nothing but D upon u. So this is formula for magnifying power of simple microscope. Please draw these two diagrams fast and write that answer. Magnifying power D upon u.
Done, sir.
Ray diagram also tried. Ray diagram drawn roughly.
Yes, sir.
Because chances are there they will ask for 2 marks ray diagram of compound microscope. Can I clear? Everybody is done?
Yes.
So magnifying power we got D upon U. Case 1. Final image. इसमें final नहीं है, फिर भी मैं ऐसे word कर दिया, एक ही image है. Image is at DDV, also called as near point position. So object anywhere on left side, but image we want at minus D, that is by convention minus D. 1 upon F is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. So we can say 1 upon F is 1 upon minus T plus 1 upon minus U. So D upon F is minus D upon D minus D upon U. This is minus for lens. So minus will become plus. D upon F is minus 1 plus D upon U. Therefore, 1 plus D upon F equals to D upon U. So magnifying power means D upon U, which we are getting 1 plus D upon F if the image is at DDV. So they will say focal length of eye microscope is this many centimeter. What is magnifying power if the image is at near point or at DDV? So D you have to know it is 25 centimeters. Put the value, write this condition.
Done, sir.
Okay. Case 2. Image is at infinity, which is also called far point. Therefore, object may be anywhere. Image is at infinity. 1 upon f, 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So 1 upon infinity minus of minus u. 1 upon f will be 0 plus 1 upon u. Therefore, d upon f is d upon u. So magnifying power is d upon f. Right, second case. From Monday, I will start with revision of MCQs, no theory. If anybody is having doubt in theory, they will call me separately so that I can keep the lecture. Tomorrow you will get detailed schedule which chapter we are going to revise when from February 1 to March 31.
Done, sir.
Compound microscope wala I feel diagram they may ask you, ray diagram or proof they are, then they will ask show that magnifying power of compound microscope is product of linear magnification of objective and magnifying power of eyepiece. Again, first step I will get what is alpha then beta. So object AB situated at distance d, seen directly, angle subtended is alpha. So tan of alpha is approximately alpha, which is AB upon minus d equation. Then ray diagram. Compound microscope has how many lenses?
2.
2. Both are same size?
No, sir.
Who is shorter focal length?
Objective.
Correct. So we have two lenses. One is objective, other is eyepiece. Objective is of smaller focal length and eyepiece of larger focal length. The objective is close to the object and eyepiece is close to the eye. of, suppose this is focal length of objective at 1 centimeter. I have taken on both sides. Object is placed slightly beyond focus. ये सेम ऑब्जेक्ट है ना, हाइट चेंज मत करना, इसको बहुत बड़ा मत बनाना. So ray parallel to principal axis will pass through focus. Passing through optical center remains undeviated. So this becomes our ray diagram for the object giving image by the objective. Name is A1, B1. Object distance from objective is U0 and image distance is U0. Draw till this first. Otherwise, so many things will come, it will be confusion. हाँ मैडम, आर्यन ज्वाइन नहीं किया शायद आप. नहीं, मैं कॉमन में मैं मैसेज डाला था. अच्छा अच्छा ठीक. This much completed, ray diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay. मनुष्य थोड़ा लेक्चर के बाद रुक जाना बेटा, 2 मिनट.
Okay, sir.
Now, parallel to principal axis will pass through focus. Our objective here, it is behaving, eyepiece is behaving like simple microscope. That means try to adjust eyepiece in such a way that A1 B1, which is object for eyepiece, lies between F and P. So focus थोड़ा ज्यादा दूर ले लेना आप, तो डायग्राम अच्छा आएगा. As far you take that focus, it will be better diagram. I'm taking longest here focus. Passing through optical center will remain undeviated. Produce these two backwards. Wherever they meet, that is our image. So this is A2, B2. Distance is VE from the optical center. Angle subtended is beta. Now complete the ray diagram further. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you look in the ray diagram of compound microscope, can I say beta is opposite side A1 B1 upon UE, or A2 B2 upon VE? Correct? VE means VO plus UE. From figure, tan beta, which is approximately beta, will be A1 B1 upon UE. A1 B1 नीचे इसलिए minus, UE left में इसलिए minus, दोनों cancel. This is same as A2 B2 upon ये VE. Both are down and left, so minus minus. Now magnifying power is beta upon alpha. Alpha was A1, sorry, AB upon minus B. This again I am taking first term A1 B1 upon B. So this will become A1 B1 upon UE into minus B upon AB. So A1 B1 upon AB into D upon UE minus. What is ratio of height of image to the height of object? Linear magnification.
Yes, sir.
So this is linear magnification of objective, and this is magnifying power of eyepiece. Negative sign indicates that final image is inverted with respect to object. So
Done, sir.
So expectation is there. They may ask you either ray diagram or the proof or MCQ directly 1 mark. Linear magnification will be given. Magnifying power you have to just multiply. Now case 1. Case 1. Image is at DDV. Final image is at DDV. Therefore, magnifying power is linear magnification. We can also write V0 upon U0 minus indicate images inverted. 1 plus D upon focal length of eyepiece. Hello? What is distance between or length of distance between objective and eyepiece or length of microscope, compound microscope? This was V0 and this was UE. So distance between them, can I say V0 plus UE? Hello?
Sir.
So length of microscope or distance between two lens is V0 plus UE. Case 1. Case 2. Final. देखो एक सम फिक्स है, कोई भी MCQs में इस पे. Final image is at infinity, also called as far point, and DDV wala near point. So here magnifying power is minus V0 upon U0 into D upon FE. Now what will be telescope distance of microscope? V0 plus UE. If final image is at infinity, where should be object? At focal length of eyepiece? Hello? It should be at focal length of eyepiece.
Sir.
Yeah, write then formula.
Done, sir.
Next one, astronomical telescope or refracting telescope. Telescope means object is not close. So I cannot say object is at DDV. So magnifying power of telescope का definition पूछा तो थोड़ा change कर दें. Magnifying power of telescope is the ratio of angle subtended by final image at eyepiece limited by beta to the angle subtended by object at center of objective alpha. So magnifying power will be beta upon alpha. Write this definition. Aryan Singh, you forgot lecture?
नो सर,
Yes.
सर मैं सो गया था तो उठा ही नहीं.
Late night you study till 4 o'clock?
ऐसा नहीं है सर, थोड़ा देर ही सोया था.
नहीं, कभी कभी मोस्टली बहुत से स्टूडेंट रात को सोते हैं ना, पढ़ाई करते ज्यादा आज.
नहीं सर.
ठीक है, लिख लो डेफिनेशन. Arya? Arya, any doubt? Okay. Written?
Yes, sir.
Now see first ray diagram, then we'll find beta upon alpha. In this case, objective is larger than eyepiece. Object is at very large distance. So the rays coming will be paraaxial. Paraaxial means parallel to themselves but not parallel to the principal axis. These are the rays coming from infinite distance. After passing through lens, it should actually pass through focus if it is exactly parallel. Now because it is not exactly parallel, it will pass through focal plane. So this will pass through focal plane. Focal plane is the plane passing through focus. So this will be the image in the focal plane. FO is focal length of objective. Object is AB at infinite distance. Image is A1 B1. This is behaving like object to the eyepiece. Then telescope, if eyepiece is adjusted in such a way that object A1 B1 lies at focus, then image will be at infinity. So try to take same distance on the left hand side. On the right hand side, same distance. Then these two rays will be parallel. Reduce them backward, they will never meet. That means it is going to infinity. So image is at infinity. angle subtended beta. Now I can say from figure, magnifying power, which is beta upon alpha, will be opposite side A1 B1 upon FE. So down means negative, left means negative. Alpha is opposite side A1 B1, on the right side downward, so negative, and F4 positive. So this minus minus cancel, A1 B1 cancel. Minus of F4 upon FE. Again, negative sign indicates that final image is inverted. Negative sign indicates that final image is inverted, and length of telescope will be F4 plus FE. Copy.
Done, sir.
Second case. For this only remember formula, no need of ray diagram. When final image is at TDB, then magnifying power is minus F4 upon FE into 1 plus FE upon T. And length of telescope will be F4 plus FED upon FE plus T. Right, this the formula paper is difficult. In MCQs they can give solution.
Done, sir.
Last one, right? Reflecting astronomical telescope. Last. The name is reflecting, so it is not using medium or lens. but it will be using mirror. So it consists of parabolic shape concave mirror. This is concave mirror. Because it is telescope, light will come at from far distance, which is made to fall on after reflection on convex mirror, and here there is lens. So rays comes from far distance, fall on the first mirror, which is objective mirror. This is called objective mirror. Here this is secondary mirror, because this is also showing reflection. And then this is eyepiece. Rays gets reflected and then move to the eyepiece once again after reflection. Rays gets reflected on the mirror, and from that convex mirror again goes. Just draw this diagram. It has got objective mirror, which is parabolic shape, and secondary mirror, which is convex eyepiece. Also called as Cassegrain reflecting telescope.
Done, sir.
Right. These telescopes. So if they ask what is the advantage of reflecting astronomical telescope? So these telescope, see in refraction there are two types of error. One is error due to radius of curvature, and second is error due to different refractive index for different wavelengths, called as chromatic aberration and spherical aberration. Chroma matlab color, spherical matlab shape. So these telescopes form images free from that two error. This is free from chromatic aberration. Chromatic aberration, double R, E double R. Chromatic aberration and spherical aberration. There are two types of reflecting telescope. One is called as Cassegrain reflecting telescope. This is what we had drawn the diagram. Second is also Newtonian reflecting telescope. Magnifying power is equals to F4 upon Fe into 1 plus F3 upon T. Then final image is at infinity, then magnifying power will be only f upon fe. F is nothing but half of radius of curvature. For mirror, focal length is half of radius of curvature. Yes, completed full.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See the first question I have sent on the group. Draw the ray diagram of astronomical telescope showing image formation in the normal adjustment position. Write the expression for magnifying power. What is meaning of normal adjustment position? Hello? Say they have given word normal adjustment position. Write down normal adjustment position means normal adjustment position. Adjustment position means when the image is at DDV. So this you can refer and then complete, which I have already explained. Come to sum number 5th. Fourth one, numerical. A small telescope has objective lens of focal length, that means FO 150 and FE is 5. What is magnifying power? What is formula for magnifying power? What is magnifying power? For viewing it at normal adjustment. Right, for normal adjustment, image is at DDV, therefore M equals to minus F4 upon Fe into 1 plus Fe upon D. Put all the values. What answer you are getting? Is it coming minus 36? F4 upon Fe into 1 plus Fe upon D. What answer you got?